Hello users, and welcome to the basics tutorial of VoiceQ Writer.
Now I'm going to be taking you through the VoiceQ Writer preferences. So we have some special preferences here. So we have two tabs, one is the global and one is the project. So I'm going to take you through the global and then we'll go through the project after that. For global options, we have media playback audio, so this controls your volume. From here we have our window size, so we can set custom ones or we can set assigned ones to television preferences or film. You can keep the media window on top. We can also adjust the brightness on external video. This is reserve lower section for digital rhythm band, which allows you to move the video up and give you more space to write in. This one here is inverted colors, so this will take the character color and make it the text color and make the background color white. That just keeps everything even, which means all bands are now white. Also add visibility of rhythm band depending on character filtering, which means this section here. When you filter a character, it will show the visibility. Next we have our timeline behavior. So this is a new section here. So what we got here is our default colors, but what you can actually do here is quite fun. So if you wanted to change the background color maybe, or maybe change the waveform color, you can do that. You have the option to do so. So like this, so say if you want it easier on your eyes, you just make it black, and maybe I can make the waveform color like a nice blue. You can also have a lower zoom level, so this allows you to zoom right out. Next we have behaviors. This is more to do with shortcuts as well as script editor management. So here's the wrap text options. So warn if you're deleting X amount of lines, hide done lines in script view, automatically select lines when you've done them. You also have character filtering and filtering for popovers as well. You can change the custom shortcuts for zoom in, zoom out, and play selected lines. So play means just essentially play, and play selected lines is selected lines that you have in the script view. Miscellaneous options, we have a prompting, so this is kind of more for if you want to see the welcome dialogue or not. You can check for updates for our application, which we update bi-monthly now currently. We have autosave snapshots. This is the interesting one. So you can set the interval that you autosave at and the max amount of snapshots. So what we want to do is we want to set our save interval, let's say 300 seconds, and then a max number of 10, which means every time it hits 10, it'll overwrite the first, and so on and so forth. Now our cool new feature that we've added is preference profiles. So what this means is, say that I'm doing a writing option, and we can switch between ones that I've made previously, so it changes everything. So color code, options in the video, all that kind of stuff. Now you can update, import, and export these as well as reset to default. If you like a view, you can also make that default. For more information on VoiceQ, VoiceQ Writer, and VoiceQ Pro, please head over to support@voiceq.com.